Welcome to SAT School. This is our third video on profit and loss. Now let's get started. And this is where we left on last video. That is practice question 7. If you have not watched that video, I strongly recommend to watch that first. Click the I button above and watch the video. Now here the question is the price of an article with 10% VAT is 1650. What is the price without VAT? Meaning this is the price which includes 10% VAT. We have to find price before VAT. Now here we have rate of VAT which is 10% and we have price including VAT which is 1650. Now to calculate the price without VAT or the price before VAT, we can say let price without VAT be X. So we assume here X is the price before VAT. Again, this is the price after VAT and this is price before VAT. Now we have VAT, the rate is given 10%. Now we can find amount of VAT now which should be equals to 10% of this X. Now here we can say price including VAT is equals to price before VAT plus 10% of that X. Again, this 10% is of this amount. When we add 10% on this amount, then that will be equals to 1650 because this includes VAT which is 10% of X. Now we have price including VAT which is 1650. 10% means 0.1. Now if you add this 1x and 0.1x, then that is 1.1x. And once you divide 1650 by 1.1, the value should be equals to 1500. So 1500 is the price without VAT. Let's rewind again. So this amount is including VAT. That's why when we write here price including VAT is price before VAT plus 10% of this price. So this is X plus 10% of X. Again, 10% is simply 0.1. If you divide this 10 by 100, that should be 0.1. When you add, that is 1.1, and when you divide, this is 1500. So this 1500 is price without VAT. Now if you add 10% of this 1500, when you add this 10% of 1500, then that should be equals to 1650. Now we calculated VAT amount, the price including VAT. Now how we calculate VAT after discount? Let's suppose we have a bike and the market price for bike is 1 million. Now if there is a discount of 10% as well as there is VAT of 15%, now how do we calculate? Remember, this VAT is always calculated after discount. If there is discount allowed, then the first step is to calculate discount of mark price. This discount is always calculated on mark price. And then we get the selling price after discount, and on that selling price after discount we calculate VAT amount. Again, the step here, if discount as well as VAT are given, then we have to first calculate discount from the mark price and then we calculate VAT. Now here the step is discount amount which is 10% of this 1 million. That should be equals to 100,000. So this 100,000 is discount allowed on this mark price which is 1 million. Now we can find selling price after discount which is 1 million minus 100,000 which is discount amount. So that will be equals to 900,000. So that is a selling price after discount. Now once we have the selling price after discount, now we finally calculate VAT amount. So this VAT amount is calculated on this amount. So here we can calculate VAT amount, which is 13% of this 900. That should be equals to, and that is equals to 117,000. So this is VAT amount. Don't be confused. Discount is calculated on mark price, and once we have the discount, then we can find selling price after discount, and on this amount, this is used to find VAT amount. So this 13% is of this amount. So this 13% is of 900,000, which is equals to 117,000. Now once we have the VAT amount, if you add this VAT amount, then we get selling price including VAT, which is 900 plus this amount, which is 117,000, and that is finally equals to 1,017,000. So that is how we calculate VAT if discount is given in the question. Let's rewind. When there is mark price, discount as well as VAT, the first step is to calculate discount amount, and after getting discount amount, we can find ESP after discount, and to find VAT amount, we use this ESP after discount, and once we have the VAT amount, we finally add this VAT amount and ESP after discount. That will give you ESP including VAT. So here are the steps. First, discount amount is calculated on mark price. Once we have the discount amount, we can find ESP after discount, which is mark price minus discount amount. So instead of these two steps, you can use one step as well, where you can say simply ESP after discount equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. So you can use these two steps, or you can use direct this formula as well. Now the next is to calculate VAT amount, and that VAT amount is calculated on this amount, which is ESP after discount. So rate of VAT multiply ESP after discount, and once you have the VAT amount, then you can find VAT including, price including VAT, where these two are added. So ESP after discount plus VAT amount. Again, instead of these two steps, you can use one step as well, where you can say price including VAT is ESP after discount plus VAT percent of ESP after discount, meaning using these two steps or this single step is same. Now what if the discount is not allowed or discount is not given in the question? In that case, we have to calculate price including VAT using mark price, meaning price including VAT is MP plus VAT percent of MP. This is when discount is not allowed or discount is not given. In that case, we use this relation. Again, if discount is allowed, then we use this relation. If discount is not given, then we use this VAT, rate of VAT on mark price. Simply mark price plus rate of VAT of mark price. Now here is practice question 8. The question is mark price of an article is given 1500. Now you have to find selling price with 10% VAT, meaning this is the mark price and we have to find selling price with 10% VAT. Again, here discount is not allowed. In that case, we use the relation, where we use the relation price including VAT is mark price plus rate of VAT of mark price. Again, if the question is silence about discount. Now here the question is silence about discount, meaning only VAT percent is given. Here the question is silence about discount. So we calculate rate of VAT on mark price if discount is not given. Mark price is given, which is 1500, and we have VAT percent, rate of VAT, which is 10%, Now to calculate selling price, we have a relation where selling price is equals to MP plus VAT percent of MP. Again, this is selling price with VAT when the discount is not given. We have a mark price which is 1500 and rate of VAT is given 10%. That is 10% of 1500 is equals to 150. So if you sum 1500 and 150, then that is RS 1650. So that is the selling price including VAT. Therefore, the selling price with VAT is 1650. Now here is practice question 9. In the question, we have the mark price which is 550. Now after allowing 10% discount on it, what will be its actual price? Again, the question is silent about VAT. There is no rate of VAT. You have to just find selling price after discount. So find 10% discount of this 550 and then we subtract that discount amount from mark price to get the selling price. So this much for today. I want you to try this question, complete this challenge, and I will see you in next video. So thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload my next video. Take care. Bye.